want to shift for shit. But I hope. What? Let me see something. I'm beating got all his passes. I got 5 right here, man. I'm on this side. That probably was his best pass. That probably was his best pass. Let me go back here and see what they doing, man. Dragster again. I know I can miss him. Really, this part of town kind of like Ennis, man. You don't want to really be caught out here too late, man. You got to get straight on the highway. Big old balloons back there. Got that thing running. Woo! What day is this track open? Look out, man. What day is this track open?
Fridays, Saturdays, and some days, sometimes Sundays.
Okay.
Just depends what kind of event we got going on. Tomorrow to be open. We got an event going tomorrow.
Okay. What's the event tomorrow?
Tech. Yeah. No, spectators can come, but you know anybody can enter too. It's Texas Muscle Car.
Texas Muscle Car Club Challenge.
Yeah.
Okay. Texas Muscle Car Club Challenge.
Yeah, you gotta come join a club. They got like 8 or 10 clubs, and they race the clubs against each other and the individuals against each other.
Oh, okay.
It's pretty cool.
That might be all right then. That sounds good. I ain't never heard of them either. What? Oh, they do?
This is their world final.
Yes, this is.
So there's gonna be a lot of cars.
What? Man, I need to check
This
that.
actually not being public. You probably got to qualify for their finals.
Oh, okay.
Spectators and everybody, it's all public.
Okay. Nice to know. What time y'all open?
Tomorrow we start early. We start at 10, 11.
9, 10, or 11. Oh, shit. They finna bet. What's the race?
Hey, Q, this is his money? Yeah, I clean him out.
What's finna go down, Q?
Count it. Yeah, I do my old him back. Okay. Y'all count each other money.
said go here, then go to.
600.
Okay, we got a $600 pot. I
And I'm
mean,
putting the trophy. Rizzo, run to my truck, open up the passenger door, give me that trophy.
okay.
Run to my truck, look in the passenger door behind me, get that trophy. It's a bulldog.
Yeah.
Y'all give it to me. I'm not the DP man.
Y'all want me to hold and play with it? Feel on it? I'll feel on it.
So
Who is that called?
you know, they know what trees they got. Everybody knows what's going on. Grow tree, everything goes. Everything goes. Man, that looks good. I'm live. Truck. The kids go? Oh, the white car.
I'm live. I'm gonna be finished in a minute. I'm finna get these lads. There's a couple of races left. All right.